now.
Still.
Last one. Alright. Hey guys, I'm recording this because today is a big day. I'm going to pick up 4 cocktails and a big cage. I just parked at the person's house now, so let's go get the birds.
Don't worry. Just leave that one there for now. Never again. They're like a month and a couple days. I think I'm eating
Careful.
Still. 3 and then
And the last one. It was pretty crazy, but she managed to get all the birds inside the box. Got the top taped and put some hose on the top, on the side for air ventilation. One of the birds actually flew out the cage and took a while to catch, but she got it done. Now let's pick up the cage. Alright, so that's the last piece of the cage and we're done. We're going to head home now. Alright guys, ready for the unbox. They were all on it while I was driving. Okay, so I got 4 inside, and I believe they are all females. Alright, let's ready for a little peek. Alright, so here they are. Yep. So, and one of them actually is the aunt, and she's about, I guess is this one right here. That's the biggest one. She's around 3 to 4 years old, and the smaller ones are the babies. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to set up their cage and put them in there.
A few moments later.
Alright, it's all done. It took me a minute, but got it done. Now I'm just gonna rinse it real quick. I can put the birds inside. And wipe it too, just clean the cage and the size, everything. There's a lot of openings here, so I need to get some wires, some rope to just tie it, and some edges right here and there. Just I need to wrap around with it, but overall it's good. Alright guys, it's the next morning. I put it in last night, but it was too dark to film, so I got the cage all cleaned up, put 2 water and sea boats in, and got something for them to sit on, but I need to get more of those sticks to put around the cage. They are doing alright, but the other one got injured from yesterday when the owner tried to catch her. There, got a little bit on her nose, but she's doing alright. And also I got some sea nets here and some toys. I'm going to clean up later and put them inside the cage for them to just chill and play with. Got my rest of the birds inside the shed. I did put them inside the shed too last night, but I brought them out just to film. And yeah, okay, I guess that's the whole video. I will keep you guys updated on these birds and with the rest of the birds. I have 5 inside the shed right now, so I might do a big update with everybody. Alright, peace out.